Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website to view our current inventory at selectmotors.com. This is a 2008 535 Xi. The 535 is a twin-turbo 300 horsepower six-cylinder. And the X means it's all-wheel drive. The color is Sapphire Black Metallic, and it's black leather interior. Body's in beautiful condition. Paint's excellent. Nice wheels. Continental tires. The leather's beautiful. Shows very little wear. Nice real wood grain trim. On the inside, I'll show you the navigation screen. Actually, we're inside, so it may really not get a signal. So we'll just go back to that's the main screen. And you can control climate control, your sound system, navigation, and also your Bluetooth, factory Bluetooth. Automatic climate control, left and right temperature controls, 6-disc CD. Here we are back on the outside. There's the powered moonroof. This is the iDrive and the shifter. We've got heated front power seats. The steering wheel is electric tilt and telescoping. It also has heated steering wheel. Power folding mirrors. Plenty of room in the back. The back seat doesn't even look like it's been used. Here's a look at the wood grain. Chrome exhaust tips. There's a power seat on this side. Has rain sensing wipers, stability control. Has active Xenon headlights with high pressure washers. And the best part about this vehicle is actually getting behind the wheel and driving it. Lots of power, just very sporty, very comfortable. Does not feel like a 11-year-old car. So a lot of car for the money. Beautiful styling, lots of comfort, performance, and safety. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.